How to fix Lemon8 app not working. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your Lemon8 application is not working, in this video I'm going to show you some steps on how you can fix this issue. Step 1 is to make sure you're using the updated version of the app. For that, you want to head over to App Store, then search for Lemon8. There, if you find the update button, you simply want to tap on it and update the application to the latest version. Updating the application is going to fix any bugs in the app and also give you new features. Even after updating the application, if your issue is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you want to scroll down and find the Lemon8 app. Then you want to tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache to clear all the cache of this app. Then tap on clear data, tap on the delete option and delete all the data of this application. Once that is done, you can either restart your device or directly open the application and check if that fixes this issue. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall this application. Once it has been uninstalled, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install a new version of this application, then log into your account and check. Even after all of these steps, your issue is still remaining, then you simply want to contact the customer support of Lemon8. The customer support team will then fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.